Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Lift Stories. Today I will discuss with you about Subhash Chandra Bose. So let's start. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of India's greatest freedom fighters. He was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janaki Nath Bose, a prominent lawyer. His mother was Prabhavati Devi. Bose was brilliant in academics. From a young age, he completed his early education in Cuttack. He went to Presidency College in Kolkata for higher studies. He was expelled for protesting against British rule. Later he studied at Cambridge University in England. He passed the Indian Civil Services exam with merit, but refused to serve under the British government. He returned to India to join the freedom struggle. He became a member of Indian National Congress. He was inspired by Swami Vivekananda and Bhagavad Gita. Bose believed in complete independence, not just reforms. He differed with Gandhi's non-violence approach. In 1938, he became the president of National Indian Congress. In 1938, he became the president of Indian National Congress. He was elected in 1939 but resigned due to ideological differences. He formed the Forward Bloc to unite anti-British forces. During World War II, he sought international support against British rule. He escaped house arrest and reached Germany in 1941. There he met Hitler and sought help for Indian freedom. Later he went to Japan where he received military support. In 1943 he formed the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National. He gave the famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He led the INA in battles against British forces in northeast India. His army captured parts of Andaman and Nicobar Island. He addressed the nation through Azad Hind Radio. Bose also promoted gender equality by forming Rani Jhansi Regiment. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal led the Women's Regiment under INA. Bose's INA instilled a strong sense of nationalism in Indians. In 1945, INA lost ground as the war ended. Bose planned to move the Soviet Union of further support. Unfortunately, on August 18, 1945, he was reported dead in a plane crash in Taiwan. However, his death remains a mystery with various theories. Many Indians still believe the survived the crash. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji, meaning respected leader. His legacy continues to inspire Indians of all ages. His birthday, January 23, is celebrated as Parakram Divas. He emphasized discipline, courage, and patriotism. Netaji believed that only armed struggle could free India. He united Indians across religions and regions. He was deeply respected even by his enemies. His life is a symbol of dedication by bravery. The Indian government has honored him with many memorials. His slogan Jai Hind became the national greeting. Netaji is remembered in songs, books, films, and public speeches. His contributions helped ignite revolutionary spirit in India. Subhash Chandra Bose is always be a national hero. His name is written in golden letters in India's freedom history. Thanks for watching.